Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to take out this blueberry bush. I had a little vote on this before, and I'm going to take out this goat willow out the top. This guy's not doing too good, and this guy I think is just a bit distracting. So we're going to give it a weed in as well, and I have a little plan of what I want to do here instead of this little blueberry tree. So first thing I'm going to do is remove all our fence, which is looking quite good. So it's a shame to be taken out at the moment, but we'll get it back in. Take them out and see if we can do it without disturbing too much more. I think I'm going to try and cut into it. I'm not too worried about the blueberry bush now, but I don't want it ruining all the hedging that we've made and all that if I can help it. First thing I'll do is get rid of all this. Most of this is weed anyway, so I'm not too worried. I think I'm going to cut down into here. I'd rather cut the roots of the blueberry bush than wreck the whole thing. Why am I using a knife? It was supposed to lock off when it closed. When it opened, I mean not closed. It seemed to be locking anyway. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we can probably get in there with some pruners. Let's prune out the rest of the roots. I'll still plant this up and see if we can get it growing a bit better. It seems to be not doing too good in here. Now we'll just fill that in now with a bit more soil again. Just top it up. Find a scoop. Where's all my scoops gone? Trying to find one of the small scoops if I can. Now, what I want to do here is I want to put a rock here. And there's a special reason why I want to put the rock here. So if you want to find out, you'll have to wait and watch till the end. But the thing with it is, which rock do I use? I've got a few rocks here, but I'm down to these two. These two fit the best for what I want. But this one ideally would be the best, but I think it may be a bit big. So it may have to be this one. So maybe we'll put that one in. And you're saying, why is he putting a rock in there? You'll see. Okay, so we'll go with that one. Maybe I can kind of pull out some of this moss here so we can get it in tighter to the building. Eventually the moss will grow over it. and make it like that. Look, this one looks pretty good and natural, but just think just means our fence won't fit. And I need a container switch, so we're going to go with this one. It'll eventually get moss and that on it. Okay, so we'll put our fence back in. Okay, so that's our fence back in. Now I need to get some moss to fill that in, but before I do that I'll get this tree out here. So you can see, since I chopped the top off, it's taken off, sprouting all over. So again, we'll plant it up. This guy will grow no matter what. These guys grow like weeds around here. Yeah. Let's go with an old pair of scissors and just cut away the roots. Like that. Okay, now we'll just put a bit of soil in there. In place. Okay, so I've got to go now and get a bit of moss for here, so 2 minutes and I'll do that. Okay, so I've got a nice bit of lush green stuff here, so we'll use that. Just fill this in. Filling around the front here again of the fence. Once we get a bit of moss going on, that should look pretty good. Moss up here is all dried out. I'll have to give it a soaking. Now we'll just prune back this little fern guy, kind of blocking the door again. Okay, so now we can see the door. May as well just give these few little branches that are shooting off a quick prune back while we're at it. And I bet you're still wondering, what's the rock for? You'll find out now very soon. Let's give this a quick going over. Okay, so the rock, what is it for? So I went online and I was thinking what I could get to make this look a bit more Lord of the Ringsy, and I couldn't find much in the way of little characters or something, and then eventually I found one, which was 3 3D printed. So I got him and I painted him up. Now I've lost him. There he is. So he now can sit up there. There was no Bilbo Baggins or any of them guys. Couldn't find any of them, which was a pity. So we'll get one of them. One of the Shire guys, whatever you call them. But we did get this guy, so we can put him there. He's sitting waiting for Bilbo or wherever to come back. So Gandalf will have to be for this one, but just adds a little bit of something different around the tree. It won't be as distracting, and he's not going to grow and fill the whole front of the tree up. So yeah, there you go. He's just sitting in there. Obviously he's quite big, but that's the way he kind of is, isn't he? He's a lot bigger than Bilbo and them. They're only little fellas. So that's why I needed a rock in there. I was going to make a little bench for him, and then I thought maybe a rock, because I did have a little bench, but I was thinking if I had a bench it would have to be the size for Bilbo and that to use, which would be this size or even smaller, and to put him on that is a bit of a squeeze. So I thought if I find a rock it can be kind of part of the garden. So there you go, let me know what you think. It's just a short one. I just want to get rid of this tree, these trees. We'll stick them, I'll move this now. We'll just stick them into little pots. There. We'll just get a couple of little pots for these, may as well give them a chance anyway. These lower branches. These, you can make quite good trees out of these. I have a forest of them, and as long as you keep the branches, the leaves trimmed, you can get them quite small. They will grow big if you leave them grow. So let's just stick that in a little pot. Let's see what we got. Plastic pot here, we can stick him in there. I won't bother clean off the root or anything. Just leave it as is. So that it can. Where's my little scoop? I just see it. I was losing stuff. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, here it is. Maybe one day this guy will end up in my forest. But now, just put him in there, let him go in there. And this guy, blueberry, he seemed to do a lot better when it was on its own in a pot. When I put it into this bigger pot, it seems to struggle. Lost a lot of branches. It's not doing too good at all. Okay, let's find something for that. A blue pot for actually. This one here kind of looks a bit like blueberries, doesn't it? So we'll put it in this one. Again, I'll just leave what soil's on it. one side of it like that. Okay, let's write that in. Does have a few blueberries growing on it. Normally does, normally blues. Get about 6 or 8 blueberries growing on it each year. It's not growing much. It's okay. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Let me know what you think. Is that better than the trees having Gandalf in there? Or maybe you think there shouldn't be anything in there. Let's get rid of this. We're knocking now. Maybe you think it'd be better with nothing there. So let me know what you think. We'll leave it at that. So, as always, thanks for watching. Give it a zoom in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.